So let's see how it will go. Now I will check here how it's going with this market right here, and then we'll start the first trade. Give me a few minutes here. I will just take a closer look here. So let's see how it will go. Awesome. Here we go. Getting ready for the first trade of the day here. So I can see new people here on the stream. Welcome, guys. We're gonna have a lot of fun today, and hope you will like it. Of course, as I said before, who wasn't here, now we're just checking how the market goes here, just trying to analyze it, just trying to understand it. After which, we're gonna start the first trade of the day. Stay here, stay with us, please. So there's a very important thing to understand that the patience is just a part of our strategy, right? We are not just clicking and clicking for new trades or something like that. No, never. You will never win like that. We just have to stay here, be patient, just try to understand where the market goes, and then we will just boom, and here we go. So that's what I'm trying to do here. At the moment, the chart is going kind of crazy, so I'm trying to understand it before. As I said, AUD USD on OTC market. Here we go. I'm gonna prepare for the first trade of the day. $300, 1 minute time frame. Here we go. Trade is open. So let's check how it goes. So we have the confirmation. I already entered for one trade. I'm gonna do the second one. I'm gonna prepare it for now. Let's see where it goes here. I had the first one, so it's not looking quite good now, but we can try to open one more. I opened two, and both are looking very good actually. We had the 11-second time frame here, so we got both actually. Very good start for us. First two trades of the day are profitable for me. That's very cool. Very happy that the trade closed in profit. The setup worked exactly as I expected. The third one of the day is not so good, but what happened here, I opened this one first for the 1 minute, and then opened two more to cover this one. So totally, we made it here. I'm gonna wait for the chart to calm down a bit, and then we're gonna keep going here. So till I'm waiting for the next trade, for our fourth trade of the day. As I said, we had three trades today, each for $300. Totally, we've made around 400 here. So that's kind of cool, I think. So right now I'm just simply waiting for a better opportunity, because one of the biggest mistakes that every beginner make is entering the market just because they feel that they need to. And at this moment I'm thinking of starting it, and I'm gonna sell here. I opened a lot of trades here, 4 trades. The first one is not quite good, but that's cool. Actually, we stayed on the same level. It was not too high, it was not too low. It was just a thing of luck, so nothing critical here happened. We are still here, we are still playing. A few minutes to check what's happening on this chart again, and we're gonna keep going. So you can join our Telegram public channel, where I'm gonna call my next trade right now just go there. It's totally free. It's a public channel. You can go there. I'm gonna call my next trade and we'll see. We have it AUD USD on OTC market on a 1 minute time frame. I already called it for you. Once again, AUD USD OTC market, 1 minute time frame. Get ready. We're gonna sell it. Let's go. You have the call. You can see that now. Just check it out. More than sure we're gonna profit here. Nothing horrible happening. We're still on our track. And so as I said in the beginning of the stream, the chart is going crazy today, but that's the part of the grind. You just have to do these mistakes to learn. So I'm trying right now on live stream, learn with you and trying to teach you how to do that. Because before entering any trades, I just want to see a clear structure and a strong reaction from an important level and confirmation from the next candle right before I consider the entering. If the setup is unclear, I would rather skip it. Okay, so missing out one trade is absolutely not a problem. Entering a bad trade because of a boredom can become a much bigger problem. So that's a very, very important thing to understand. We are not entering because we are bored or we cannot wait, we are not patient. Now, we just try to read the market, we just try to be here. We had some profit here, but we had a few losses before, so we are around the zero in the last 5-6 trades. That's looking actually not bad for me because it all started not so shiny actually. For now I would just watch how the price behaves near this area. I will not try to predict anything, only just short time things, okay, just short time trades here, 8 seconds max. As you see, 8 seconds time frame, I sold a lot here because I saw the movement there and we had an awesome profit. Good. Let's keep going. There's one more thing I want to talk about is the discipline actually. It's probably one of the most important parts of trading. A lot of people think that the main challenge here is to find the perfect indicator or a strategy. Here, I'm sorry I opened a new trade because I saw the opportunity here to jump in. With the zero, nothing horrible. So, a lot of new trades here. I think it will go up without any doubt. And the zero again, nothing horrible. So you can have a good strategy, no problem, but you can still lose with the good strategy because you overtrade. You have to increase your position size after a loss or enter because of fear of missing out. That's why I always try to follow the same process before every trade I do. I check the trend, the market structure, support and resistance, and the candle behavior. Even when a trade looks attractive, I still ask myself whether it actually fits my plan. Here we start a lot of new trades for 300 bucks. I bought it, so I think it will go up, and we had the profit here. The trade closed in profit and the setup worked well. The price respected the level and continued in the expected direction that I have. But even after a winning trade, it's very important to stay calm. A win can sometimes create too much confidence, okay? So traders may start increasing the position size or entering weaker setups because they feel unstoppable, they feel immortal, but that's usually when mistakes begin. I'm not going to push here. One successful trade doesn't change our strategy. We continue patiently, one setup at a time, one after another, just waiting for a good time. We are not in a rush. Getting ready for the next trades. I opened a few here, so 5 trades as you can see, and it's looking very good here. Yeah, a win after a win. I actually like it very much. We are on the right track here. I really like how this goes. We're doing a fantastic job here. I will try to check a few other markets here. AUD, CAD, OTC market as always. I will try to push here because I got a call for this market, so we're gonna check how this works here. Yeah, I opened a few, nothing horrible, the trade didn't work, and that's completely normal. Opened a lot, and the trade's looking very good here. Great, we had the wins. It's looking fantastic. As you saw, no nerves, nothing horrible happening. We're just staying on our track, we're just doing our job. So that's good. So I just want to talk about the support and the resistance while we wait for the next trade. Support is an area where the price has previously stopped failing and started moving upwards. Resistance is an area where the price has previously stopped rising and starting moving downward. These levels are not always exact lines. It's better to think of them as zones. The price may move slightly above or below before reacting. This is why entering immediately when the price touches a level can be risky. I prefer to wait for a confirmation. For example, I want to see a rejection, a strong candle, or a change in a short-term momentum. The level gives us an area of interest, but the price action helps us to decide whether the entry makes sense or not. So that's where we're trying to concentrate. Also, we are trying to think of a trend on the chart. So here I'm looking at the clear trend and I'm buying it because I can see it's going upwards. Yeah, we got it. We won both open trades. We entered on 300 bucks. I just want to remind you, AUD, CAD, OTC market, 600 bucks next trade. I will just rise the stakes. I'm selling it here. The chart is fighting on the level of my entrance. We have this profitable. One more. Awesome. As you can see, the balance is looking great here. Everything's awesome. We made more than $2,500 just in a few minutes. I think that's a great thing to have here. And I wanted to talk with you about the trend that you have to check every time you trade. Trading in the direction of the trend can sometimes provide clearer setups because we are following the dominant market movement. Very important thing to understand. Right now I want to see whether the current movement is a real continuation or only a temporary pullback. I'm not rushing because the next few candles may give us a much clearer answer. So we just wait here, checking the candles, trying to predict the next trade, the next swing of the market. So we're just waiting here. we already had the profit today, and we will have a few trades more, so I'm gonna give that opportunity to you to check a few more trades, a few more good trades, winning trades here. So we're gonna check this out here, and after that we're gonna keep living our lives. Just subscribe to our Telegram channel. It's fully free. It's a public channel where you get the calls sometimes. When we are streaming, you will get very good winning calls, so you can join it. We opened a lot of trades here. We are staying on the same level as you can see here. Not a big loss, so we're gonna keep pushing here. $1,000 trade that I opened for a selling position. Let's see how it goes. The first one we got it, the second one not. We have the zero there, nothing horrible. We keep going, keep working. $3,000, the biggest we can do here. I will predict it will go up, and as you can see, it's working good. The swings are working for us. Keep pushing, keep going. $300. I'm thinking of the next one. I bought it. As you can see, a lot of trades opened here. And once again, as you can see, as always, we are not missing the swing a lot. It's like either we win it or we have it almost on the same level. So that means the strategy is doing its job. So we just keep going here, keep checking it. Not disappointing after a few losses. After a loss, many traders immediately try to enter another position, and sometimes it's good, as here, because we had the profit. I found the right swing there and got into it. So we won here. I think that was very, very good. That's the end, guys. Thank you for the stream. We've made very, very good lessons here. I thought I teached you something today.